Okay, let's do a quick install of Opencart 3 on our Bluehost account. And by account, I mean I have your basic account, the one that's the good deal. Okay, you don't need a full-blown big money account. This works great. Okay, so anyway, what I've uploaded the zip file from Opencart into my root directory. And by root directory, I'm in my public HTML directory. That's all I have in there. Nice clean install. I've also created a database, and if you haven't done that before, go back to my website there, creativeclipper.com. I've got the lesson there on how to create the database. Okay, so I'm going to extract this, and this will be a quick install. It's real easy. When I unload everything, I'm going to get rid of these root files. I don't want those. Don't need them for the install. Everything's in this upload directory. Now what I want to do is move those from that upload directory back into my root, and no slash on the end. I just go right to the end of the file name there. So now what I've got is this in the root. That's what I ended up with. Now I'm going to have to rename two files in here to do an install. And they're both the same name, config dist, this one here. The reason for that is to protect from overinstalling over your current application. Okay, so then I'm going to go into admin, and the same one's in there. So there's two files I'm going to rename. You have to do those. Okay, so I'm using my demo account with store122.com. Okay, I'll just go into the install. Now I'm going to take the passwords that I had on the previous one there. Okay, which I have a user. Again, this is a temporary store, so I'm not too worried about showing everybody my password. And the password was and now what I want to do is just give I use this password pass. Just click on my email. I should be able to install. Okay, that's installed. I'll go to my login there. Again, type in my password there. Now it wants me to move some stuff outside the installation. And you just want to make sure you save that directory over time. If you delete it, the store's not going to run. So I usually put on the do not delete. Put it in that directory. Okay, so now our store is up right running right there. There it is, our installation of our store. Okay, thanks a lot. See you on the next video.